Right. So I will highlight first the technical change differences. Technical differences. Okay. Then functional differences. Differences. And majorly, what major changes happened in terms of implementations? ASAP. We use this methodology, ECC and activate methodology. Activate methodology. This is S4HANA. Right. These are three topics we are going to cover. First one is what technical difference has been changed, and I will explain why these changes come up by the SAP. Mainly technical differences. SAP ECC highlight like this and S4 HANA. Okay, this ECC, as of now, we know we use logon pad, right? First one we use logon pad where GUI graphical user interfaces we use, where already we use SAP GUI, which means graphical graphical user interface. Okay, this is ECC where we use, it is a mandatory as of now we are using, and Fury also it is there, but as a part of S4 HANA, Fury is mandatory. This is one of the new user interface. Okay, SAP Fury is mandatory. Okay, this is new user interface. User interface. Okay, GUI is a optional, so make it is also GUI is optional now. Okay, as for HANA, I will explain Fury how it use. Those points I will explain. I will upload the videos as well. Right. ECC, what happens? We have to sit in front of the system. We have to work accordingly. Where when you work for ECC, a consultant, we have to sit in front of the system, right? Either desktop or laptop. We use desktop or laptop. Desktop or laptop. It performs all transactions, business transaction, what we do. As for HANA, we have login through Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, web browser. We can use it. We can perform this business transaction from mobiles, smartphones, and tablets. Tabs we have, right? The electrical devices. We can log on and we can work accordingly. This is one of the option has been given by the SAP. They can sit anywhere. They can log in. They do business transactions. Okay, so it is easy. We can log in through Internet Explore, well, because it is web-based links. Firefox, Firefox, and Chrome web browser. So this is options has been introduced. Okay. However, we do this fixedly. We have options has been given. Either you can do through mobiles. So upon these web browsers, okay, mobiles we can use. We have different smartphones. We have, okay, smartphones we can use. Okay, smartphones, and we have tabs. Many electrical devices we have. We can use those. Okay, this way we can perform the business transactions. This is another advantage, right? And we have SAP. We have current version use ECC 6.0. Under this, we have EHP1, EHP enhancement package. It starts with 02. As of now, current EHP 8 we use. EHP 8 current version enhancement package. Current enhancement package. These are very important technical terminologies. At least you must know. HANA, they have introduced their own versions. It starts with 11, 15, 11, and every year almost they are introducing, right? They're introducing every year new versions. Means every version they will be introducing new functionalities what they have come up with. Existing ECC to the advanced features, advanced transaction codes, advanced screens, tables. There are many program changes because something if they are introducing new means program level there will be changes will be there, functionality wise, database level it is simplified. So they have come up with enhancement packages there, but versions instead of this is a ECC 6.0 new version in ECC, and they have yearly introduced yearly new SAP notes have been introducing irrespective of all the modules they keep introducing. And if EHP 7 or EHP 8 only SAP supports, S4HANA supports. Whoever EHP 6, so they should migrate into EHP 7 or 8, then only S4HANA it works. Okay, this versions latest they have introduced last year 2023 and 24 and 25 also. Yearly basis it's 115.11 onwards. Okay, every year they're introducing new SAP nodes, new functionalities. Introducing. You cannot say ECC 6 here. No SAP functionalities irrespective of modules. They introduce different modules likewise. Okay. Previously in ECC we use third party database where to store the business transactions, master data, confidential of SAP data, whatever they do, third party databases like we know very famous Oracle and DB2. This is names SAP has to purchase to store this data. SQL and Sybase. There are many Sybase and MaxDB like this. It's fine if you not understand, fine, because this is servers. If you visit any company, they have separate servers room will be there. Only authorization persons only allowed, which means the confidential company data will be stored under these servers where SAP come up with their own database. No need to dependence on uh, third-party databases. Right? This is best drastical changes in S4HANA. SAP coming up with their own database. No need to depend on third-party database now onwards. It is own HANA DB. Okay, this is HANA database. HANA DB. This is a big change. They took decision and they introduced new HANA database from their side. Okay, this one database layer consists of a central database system like master data or transaction data that is being stored in the SAP system. You can see consists of uh, database layer consists of a central database system. If they want to pull the data, huge data, they can get it. When I talk about data, okay, mainly master data includes customer master, CMAR, material master, pricing master, vendor master, info records, such kind of data, and transaction data, master data and transaction data, such as we have uh, like orders, delivery, invoice, MyGo, Myro, right? All transaction, whatever we do, this we called as transaction data. It's being stored in the SAP system. Centrally, it will be stored whenever business they want to pull the data, they want to retrieve the past data, current data, weekly basis, monthly basis, or quarterly basis, they can get it from the SAP. We call it as a report because they have to see different sort of reports. They have to analyze what business transaction they have held for the month, for the day, or a week, quarterly, yearly, right? This is regular work. So SAP, what they're thinking, this is reporting is very slow compared to S4 HANA. So they have come up with HANA DB. It is faster than third party databases. Okay, it holds who will manage it is only ABAP. There is a team who can manage the database and basis. I can say note It holds all the data managed by a map and basis. This is a people take care of this. Okay, and even in S4 and also. So it is simplified own database. It is depending on third party databases. Okay. Next, it is as we discuss slow reporting S4 compared to S4 HANA. Slow reporting and screens are complicated. Cannot use web browser. No advanced functionalities has been introduced because it is existing. However, new mobiles or laptop or TV or new devices, whatever introducing, it's getting update year by year because it makes easy and the customer will be satisfied with their services whatever they provided. That's why everybody goes for latest features of the either mobiles or whatever electronic devices are available they purchase, right? Complicated and cannot use, it is not user friendly, cannot use web browser and no advanced features and functionalities. Okay, this is main disadvantage where in S4 HANA speed reporting, why this I will explain. Next, screens are user friendly, it is very simplified and mainly it performs transactions and reporting faster compared to previous databases where we discussed um, ECC to S4HANA. There is no duplication of same data. There, as of now, ECC, once you save, orders should be saved different tables. We can retrieve like VBAK, we can get order data, and VBAP we can get, VBEP we can get, document flow we can get it, right? Which means one data it will be stored different tables, which means it is complicated. There is no chances in S4 HANA where they have simplified and they have removed most of the complicated and same data different table wherever it is saving, it is simplified, they have removed, right? This is very importantly you should know the major changes of ECC and S4 HANA. Okay, I'll make it this also numbers, right? I think it will make sense to understand technical wise. At least you should know technically what difference we observed in compared to ECC and S4HANA. We'll start working on this. It would be easy. The screens also I'll explain so that you can easily can understand. Right. Got it? Do you have any questions? Right. If no
No.
questions, right. Then I will introduce now why S4 HANA is faster compared to ECC. Then background what happens. Okay, this is you should know. It's fine if you're not understanding, but future you'll understand. This would be very useful. Let's go through. We have completed technical changes. Okay, one by one we will be discussing. Right. This part is completed. Then we go for this one. Functional changes. You have to explain in interview the same way. What are the functional changes compared to ECC and S4HANA? Technical changes. Similarly. Right. Right. Functional wise, let's see what are the changes occur. Right. Functional size changes. If you want technically should know why S4 HANA is faster than we can discuss on this. Okay. This is technical changes. Still, why it is slow and what advantages with the S4 HANA. Later classes we can know. This is more than enough. What technical differences is ECC to S4 HANA. Let's see functional wise what changes happened. This is at least you must understand this functionality wise. The major changes I will consolidate it. You can go through one by one. Same I will give ECC to S4 HANA. Right. The first one is mainly customer master, vendor master, most master datas, and contact person and credit master. Okay. Credit master. As of now, we are using different transaction codes. Okay, created using a we have separately using an ECC. Separately we are processing in ECC. Okay, where in S4 HANA it has been converted into business partner. It is simplified as a business partner. See now, I'll make it one more line like this. Okay, because complication of this each master data saving in the database and performing other transactions, it is different way, different modules and complexity is a more where SAP come up with it has been all master data convert into business partner. It will manage all this whatever we discuss master data in a business partner itself. Okay, converted into BP means business partner. Business partner, which means single BP will have multiple roles. Okay, if customer master, vendor master, contact person, and credit master, it is single BP can manage. Okay, BP can manage different roles. This is very big conversion, right? And there is no more XD01 for customer master, VD01 for sales area, XK01 for your vendor master. There is no change mode of customer master, display mode, nothing. It has been absolute, which means it is simplified and replaced with the BP. Okay,
So T code itself BP, sir.
right. T code itself BP.
Okay, so there
Right?
is no change mode and display mode with the T
Nothing.
code. I'm
BPP
saying.
has BP has change mode and display mode, creation mode. But
Okay.
when it comes to this XD01, we are using XD01, right? There is no XD01.
Um,
Okay, we have VD01 and FD01, change mode, display mode, nothing. It has been absoluted. XK01 and FD32, no more. FD32, right? This is MK01 and FD01. Okay, no more. It is simplified and replaced with BP. Then there is no more status tables. There are many status table has been removed. Okay, because as I said, one data we can see multiple tables, which is too much complicated, and it will be saved in the database. It increases the database. They have certain capacity of the servers, they cannot store more, which means they have to purchase another server. Just like your mobile storage is full, then you have additionally you have to purchase from the Google to maintain your personal data. Okay, so there are some tables where status tables, we can say status tables such as VBUK and VBUP. Okay, no more means absoluted, I can say removed or absoluted. See, you see VBAK, sales order information, VBAK, VBAP, and VBEP are document flow VBFA, and still we can see VBUK and VBUP. See one data, how many places it has been saved, right? So this has been simplified and removed. The corresponding status tables added to header and item data. So there is no other place it will be stored. You can say corresponding status fields added to header and item tables for orders and deliveries and billing. Okay, right. Next, we have pricing table. In pricing table, uh, QNB, it is for pricing itself. It is consolidated table has been introduced. It can manage a replaced with PRCD underscore elements. This is a replaced table. Instead of QNV S4HANA, we can use PRCD underscore elements. Okay. Now, another one is In pricing, as of now we have pricing procedure. 16 fields are there. Pricing procedure, 16 fields available. And S4 introduced 17th field. Introduced 17th field called relevant for account determination. This is a new field. Account determination, new field. Okay.
What is the relevant for account determination?
This is for posting of accountings into the GL accounts. They have statistical condition types also. They can post it. They can consolidate GL accounts from FI sheet. So that's why they have introduced. Now, apart from, we have tables. As of now, condition tables, whatever we created in pricing, condition tables. Now, we can take existing standard to up to 999. We can take this like this. Baseline 03, whenever we create, we have till 999 only, it has access. Okay. Where S4 HANA we can use alpha numerical, we can use for tables. Okay, we can use alpha numeric values, which means something you are processing. uh, you can take 7 like a. Okay, alpha values also we can take like this. Something you can take up to some other ways also like this. Something I'm taking like this. Not only numerical, alpha numerical also we can use this. Similarly, access sequence. Similarly, access sequence. As of now, we can use only 2 digits. Sequence, we can use 2 digits. You can pick this one. This has been extended to 3 digits. Extended to 3 digits. Right. Then there is a VOFM. We have discussed many places to formula for any customization business process. We have routines or formulas. We can use. We have VOFM. We use this. Only 3 digits. Only 3 digits. Code, numerical code we can use with the help of ababars. We can. It has been extended to 7 digits. Extended to 7 digits. This is another change. Now, material. Material master. We have material master. As of now, 18 digits code. Either alphanumerical values, we can use it. System takes only 18 digits up to the description of the material. It has been extended to 40 digits. Up to this, we can use. Okay, 40 digits, we can use it. Next, rebates. We have rebates process. Okay, in ECC, rebates has been converted into or moved to settlement management. Settlement management. The functionality, the IMG settings, and all it has been moved. Similarly, credit management. This process entirely process all we can manage and converted into FSCM. FSCM means financial financial supply chain management. Supply chain management. This most of the functionalities will taken care by FICO consultant. Then we have availability check. Okay, ECC availability check. In deep discussion, I will upload all videos in the YouTube. You can go through all configurations and testing and expected result. What S4HANA come up with. I'll be detailed information. I'll post it. Okay. Next, it has been moved AATP. Okay. A I will give advanced availability check. Advanced availability check. We call it as AATP. AATP. Like this. Okay. Okay. ECC ATP available to promise. Another name. Many times interview they will ask ATP. What is ATP? Okay. Advanced availability check. They have newly introduced back order process or production allocation and advanced configuration and substitutions. Right. Then we have a return and intercompany sales. We have it has been they have come up with advanced return management, advanced intercompany sales process. This is also major changes. Okay, return process. Okay, return process and intercompany sales. Intercompany sales. Okay, these are come up with advanced features have been added. We called as advanced return management, and we can say advanced intercompany company sales. New functionalities has been added. Then we have upload the programs, all the master data or transaction data, open orders, open deliveries, open invoice, open items. We use all sort of data after consolidation. LSMW we use to upload the data. Upload data from non-SAP to SAP. Say non-SAP to SAP or legacy to SAP. Legacy system, legacy system migration workbench. Workbench we use in ECC where SAP newly introduced SAP introduced LTMC. Through Excel we can upload this is only through flat file only. LTMC. It is very simplified, very easy compared to SMW. This is legacy transfer migration cockpit. This is another new change. Then we post a stock in MB1C. This is stock posting. Stock posting where in S4HANA there is no MB1C. We use MIGO. Okay. Post stock in MIGO. Already existing transaction code only. We can use it. Okay. Then we have outputs, order, delivery, and invoice. We use as of now NACE transactions. We can do all sort of output configuration in NACE itself. Okay, outputs, output configurations. We can use NACE is a transaction code. In S4HANA, it is optional. We can use either NACE in S4 optional. We can use NACE. If client want to go NACE itself, we can use. And S4 HANA come up with this is a BRF plus rules. BRF plus rules. This is business rule framework plus I can say it's already existing functionality, but here we have to use output record VV11 and for orders VV21 for deliveries VV31 for invoice. This is for orders and deliveries and invoices you can use where here there is no output records like this. There is no um, transmediums are there, but separately if something communication settings not maintained print device and a language or particular partners, if something missing you cannot process. Okay, there is no more such kind of records. They have introduced master data templates and the programs to those automatically while saving the transaction it will get updated this output issue. Okay, I can say no more output records. It is also very simplified, right? This is again note, this is only for as of now only introduced for billing outputs, billing and purchase order outputs, purchase order outputs only. You can enable PRF plus only for billing and purchase order outputs only. It won't applicable rest of this. Right. Then foreign we have foreign data, foreign trade elements included where when material master it has been converted foreign trade moto GTS global trade services. We no need to engage as of now. We have in material master foreign trade elements. Okay, elements included where we are why we are managing this and it is relevant global trade services because all material master license and country specific. Okay, this we don't know exactly what to do, what the country specific and what is a trade rules. There are many rules if it is moving from one place to another place and there will be license will be there. The trade policies will be there. We won't, uh, as of now, ECC we are engaging, and it is completely moved to, there is a global trade services. They will be take care of this, converted to GTS. This is separate module, global trade services. It has been moved to the respective module. People take care of metal license and policies, and they have trading rules. They will take care of this. Then we have reports. Suppose we have VA05N. This is a sales order report. Sales order report where it has been replaced with VA05. Can use this VA05. We can use it. All right. This is as of now. We can discuss very important. Still, there are many document pricing procedure. We have Vivo V8 and customer pricing procedure. It is as of now one digit we have. It has been extended to two digits. Uh, Document pricing procedure. We have in Vivo V8. As of now, we are using single digit, which means we use A or so single one digit. We can say digit where it has extended to two digits. You can say increased to two digits. These are changes not happen in one version. SAP come up with every year new functionalities to the existing ECC. They are developing. That's why they have introducing these SAP notes. Similarly, customer masters pricing procedure. Under sales area, sales tab, we can see XD02 sales area, and sales tab we have only one digit. Okay, this also increased to two digits. Okay, increased to two digits. Okay, these are 20. There are some more. During we discuss, we can have multiple discussions, and I will introduce. And if you want to see one more majorly, because credit block releases we have VKM3, VKM5, and VKM4. Okay, if credit is blocked, credit block release is we use transaction code VKM3, and for orders VKM4 for all the documents, and VKM5 for deliveries, and VKM5. Okay, this absoluted introduced VKM1. Okay, VKM1 and VKM4. Okay, replaced. VKM4 we can do all releases. Okay, VKM4 already it is there, right? So same it will be there. Okay, these are the major changes. So during our practice and during our sessions. I will upload all the in detail functionalities. You can go through because interview they ask these questions at least. You can highlight 10 points at least. Having knowledge is very good. Anyway, you are going to learn these concepts. Meanwhile, when you attend interviews, you have to highlight, focus on these parts. At least 10 points you have to highlight. So these are the changes have occurred, and you can once we start practicing, we can go through all the concepts whatever we covered. All right. So we'll continue next class. Tomorrow we'll discuss the last one is difference between ASAP and Activate methodologies, how ECC for implementation project we use. Tomorrow we'll continue process. Thank you everyone.